Hey guys, John Stone. Just wanted to give you guys a look at the forge in action. Stuff right here, as you might be able to tell, is that peanut coal. On top of it, I have burning hardwood. And between them, that's the metal I'm heating. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a look so you could see how well it was performing. As you can see, it gets to temp. Anyway, showed you what I wanted to show you. So I'm going to wrap this one up super early. Hopefully I'll have some progress to show you guys in a week or so. It'll probably take me that long to get anything done. Besides for wear myself out, blind myself, burn myself, and give myself blisters. Anyway, peace out, YouTube.